everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of cruises and all the amazing free perks you're probably missing. Most people walk right past a ton of included goodies, from food to entertainment, without even realizing it. I'm here to reveal 21 totally free cruise perks that will make your next vacation feel extra luxurious. We're talking everything from secret snacks to surprise upgrades. Stick around for a special bonus tip at the end that unlocks even more free stuff. Ready to become the cruise expert in your group? Let's get this cruise party started. Let's start with a classic room service. On many cruise lines, breakfast and select snacks are delivered to your cabin for free. Skip the buffet crowds. Just fill out the card, hang it on your door, and wake up to coffee and pastries. Late night cravings? Many ships offer complimentary sandwiches and desserts, especially before midnight. Just check the menu for any small service charges on premium items or late night orders. Most basics, coffee, pastries, simple sandwiches, are totally free. Don't assume it all costs extra. Enjoy that VIP feeling without spending a dime. After breakfast in bed, check your daily planner for a packed schedule of free activities. Trivia games are a highlight. Think music, movies, sports, and more. Not into trivia? Try free dance classes, napkin folding, or poolside games. No need to book or pay. Just show up and join the fun. You might even win a quirky prize. It's the perfect way to meet people and make memories. Cruises aren't just about indulgence. You can find free wellness too. Most ships offer complimentary morning stretch or yoga sessions, often on deck at sunrise. No need to be a fitness pro. These classes are beginner-friendly and a peaceful way to start your day. Just check your daily schedule for times and locations. It's a great way to balance out those buffet visits. Try it at least once for a refreshing start. Your body and wallet will thank you. Parents, listen up! Most cruise lines have amazing free kids clubs. These aren't just babysitting. They're full activity centers with crafts, games, and even science experiments. Teens get their own lounges and tournaments too. Register your kids on day one and enjoy some adult time. Worry-free. Daytime and early evening programs are included in your fare. It's a total game changer for family cruising. After a busy day, relax with free movies under the stars on the pool deck. Many ships have giant outdoor screens, comfy loungers, and even free popcorn. Prefer a cozy night in? Your cabin TV usually has a library of free on-demand movies. No tickets or extra charges, just pure movie magic. Whether you're poolside or in your PJs, it's all included. Don't miss this unique cruise experience. It's the perfect way to unwind. Let's talk snacks, specifically unlimited free soft-serve ice cream. Most ships have self-serve machines by the pool, available all day. Want more? Check out snack bars and cafes for free pizza, sandwiches, and pastries. No need to pay for specialty snacks. Just explore the ship. You'll find complimentary treats around every corner. The unlimited ice cream cone, a cruise rite of passage. Indulge as much as you want. Cruise ships throw epic free deck parties. Think sail away 80s night and Caribbean themes. Live music, dancing, and wild costumes are all part of the fun. Check your daily planner for party themes and times. You don't have to buy anything to join in. Just show up and dance. It's a fantastic way to meet people and kick off your vacation. Don't forget your party outfit. Want to feel fancy? Attend the onboard art auction, even if you're not buying. Enjoy complimentary champagne or sparkling wine just for showing up. Watch the action, enter raffles for free art, and maybe score a souvenir. It's a unique, underrated cruise perk. Dress up, sip bubbly, and enjoy the show. Don't skip this hidden gem. Cruises offer free cooking demos, mixology classes, and destination talks. Watch chefs prepare signature dishes and sometimes sample the results. Learn cocktail tricks or get tips for your next port of call. These sessions are fun, interactive, and totally free. Check your daily planner for times. It's a great way to pick up new skills on vacation. Wondering if the pools and hot tubs cost extra? They don't. Main pools, family pools, and most hot tubs are included in your fare. Only exclusive spa areas or private sun decks charge extra. So pack your swimsuit and dive in. No hidden fees. Enjoy your poolside oasis all day, every day. Cruise ships feature nightly Broadway-style shows. No ticket required. Enjoy musicals, acrobats, comedians, and live bands, all included in your fare. Wander from venue to venue for a variety of entertainment. It's like a floating arts festival, and it's all free. Don't miss the main theater or the hidden gems in smaller lounges. The value is unbeatable. Dreaming of a free room upgrade? It's possible. Book a guarantee cabin, cruise during off-peak times, or be a loyal customer to boost your chances. If there's an issue with your room, politely report it. Sometimes you'll get moved up. Upgrades aren't guaranteed, but these tips help. Keep an eye out for that magical new room number. Sometimes luck is on your side. Hate overpacking? Some ships have free self-service laundry rooms. Do your own laundry and pack lighter. Just bring detergent pods from home. These laundromats are a lifesaver on longer cruises. Check your ship's deck plan for locations. Save money and suitcase space. It's a simple hack for stress-free travel. Shore excursions can be pricey, but you don't have to pay to explore. Some lines include free tours, especially for loyal guests. In many ports, you can walk off the ship and explore on your own. No guide needed. Download a map, plan your route, and enjoy authentic adventures. DIY exploring is often more memorable and budget-friendly. Don't be afraid to skip the official tours. Wi-Fi at sea is getting better, and sometimes it's free. Top-tier loyalty members often get complimentary internet packages. Look for booking deals that include free Wi-Fi. Some lines now offer basic internet for everyone. Always check for promotions before you book. Stay connected without breaking the bank. Cruise ship spas are pricey, but you can get a free taste on embarkation day. Join the spa tour for complimentary mini massages, product samples, and raffles. Explore the facilities and maybe win a free treatment. No pressure to buy, just enjoy the experience. It's a relaxing way to start your cruise. Don't miss this free pampering opportunity. When you board, look for servers offering free welcome drinks. Fruit punch, iced tea, or even champagne. It's a small gesture that sets the tone for your trip. Slow down, soak it in, and toast to your vacation. Don't rush past this little freebie. Cheers to a great start. Celebrating something special? Tell the cruise line in advance. You might get a free dessert, a song from the waiters, or a surprise in your cabin. It's a simple way to add magic to your trip. Let them know at booking and on board. Enjoy those extra touches. They're free. Ever wondered how a cruise ship runs? Some lines offer free behind-the-scenes tours for loyal guests. You might see the bridge, galley, or backstage areas. Occasionally, there are open tours for everyone. Check your daily planner. It's a rare chance to see the ship's inner workings. Don't miss this fascinating experience. Specialty dining can be pricey, but you can score a free meal with the right booking deal or loyalty status. Look for promotions like Free at Sea or Have It All that include specialty dining credits. Top-tier loyalty members often get a complimentary dinner. On the first night, ask about discounts or free wine offers. Always check for these perks before you book. Enjoy a fancy meal. On the house. Onboard credit, OBC, is like free money to spend on the ship. Get it through booking promotions, travel agent deals, or by booking your next cruise on board. Some cruise credit cards let you redeem points for OBC too. Use it for drinks, spa, souvenirs, or gratuities. Always compare offers to maximize your OBC. It's the ultimate cruise freebie. That's 21 amazing free cruise perks. Which one are you most excited to try? If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more travel tips. Here's your bonus tip on day 1. Ask guest services if there are any hidden freebies or unadvertised specials. You never know what you'll discover just by asking. Thanks for watching and happy cruising. See you on the high seas.